This is a universal injector that will fit any house, industrial air conditioner, or any car. As an on and off valve. You notice there's markings across each one. Resembles 1/4 of an ounce, so that you can actually measure everything correctly. So now I pour in the Cerma. Install the top. Okay. I put a Schrader valve in here to bleed and release pressure. So now I'm going to open the valve, and a little hard to do by myself, but there you go. Hold that bottle. But right now air rises up. Most of the air is in here, and we're going to push all the air out until we line it up with one of the lines. It makes life easy. All the air is out, and we didn't waste a drop because we put it right back in the bottle. Now it's completely purged and free of air. It's ready to go. All you have to do is count the lines.